Let's throw ourselves into this transition. What transition are we discussing today? The transition that we are discussing today is the need to live a life of balance. Most of us are one-roll wonders. And being a one-roll wonder is not going to be good enough for life. We take up one thing. You're an extraordinary mother. And such an outstanding mother, and the way you parent your children, amazing. And you're a one-roll wonder. Nothing else about your life. You're a one-roll wonder. You have worked and worked and worked and worked and worked for so long, you became vice president of the company. Your health has gone for a toss. You have not known happiness in life. Your children don't listen to you. And your wife has managed to stay with you. One-roll wonder. No, we cannot be one-roll wonders. Sorry to be dramatic, but I want to create the sense of urgency into you. If the age average of this hall is 30, I don't know what is the age average, but if it is 30, and the average age at which an Indian dies is 70, that leaves us with 40 years of life on an average. 1/3 of this will go in sleep. That takes away 13 years of your life. That means you're left with 27 years of your life. Another 1/3 of your life will go at workplace. Another 13 years taken away. Leaves you with 14 years. This daily morning chores of brushing of teeth, reading the newspaper completely from end to end. I can't even speak anything about it in a Dainik Bhaskar program. You should read paper, I have to tell. Okay. But this 45 minutes that you read, either on the pot or outside, and then your extended breakfast, then the same route to, then first coffee break, second coffee break, then lunch, then evening samosa break, then come back. Daily chores will take away 4 hours of each of our life. Just daily chores. That takes away another 7 years of your life. You're left with 7 years. Everybody who lives in an urban city travels on an average an hour a day. On an average. 1 hour a day is our travel time. Especially with indoor traffic, definitely 1 hour a day you have to travel. It's not the traffic. They come from all the sides. Holistic life. This and that you have to see when you drive an indoor. And everybody spends at least 1 hour on entertainment on a daily basis. Whether it's TV, whether it is internet, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Facebook, 1 hour. So don't get angry. It must be 3-4 hours. I'm keeping 1 hour. Okay. So which is on travel and entertainment, another 2 hours goes. Takes away another 4 years of your life. You're left with 3 years of life. And 3 years is 1095 days left for you to live, for you to die. That's all time is. Whatever beyond your daily chores, I have not yet put time for a lot of things. I have not put time for exercise. Because only if you exercise, you will be up to 70. I have not put time for that. I have not put time for spiritual practices. Many of you don't work for 8 hours. You work for about 13 hours, 14 hours. I know you don't sleep for 8 hours. You sleep for 6 hours, 6 hours. But you work for 14 hours. I have not put actuals. Because if I put actuals, most of you should have died yesterday. So to give you at least some life balance, I have put some realistic estimate and giving you at least 1095 days to live, 1095 days to die. I remember after I realized this one day when there was an argument between me and my wife Sucharita, and some fight was there and I tried to talk to her and she went without talking. You know that? I'm sure all of you know. You know when a woman is upset, she walks at 400 kilometers per hour speed within the house. So it was one of those mornings. I just brought Sucharita, made her sit next to me on the dining table chair.